The house yourself, Gupta ji, health wise, work wise.
Basically, I am trying to do something great for the transformation of our country.
Okay.
I am of the view that India is on the wrong track.
Okay.
And right from the beginning, it went into the wrong hand only. Basically,
Okay.
they were having the first priority to
Yeah.
stay in power. And
Sorry?
that is the reason India is still being governed by the same set of the rules
Okay.
framed by the Britishers for
Yeah.
for slaves, basically. Even the government of India now enacted 3 laws. It is nothing but the old wine in new bottle.
Yeah.
But I have come
Yes.
up with a strategy that
Okay.
I can transform this nation with the help of the have-nots.
Help of?
With the help of have-nots.
Okay.
लाचार, बेकार, गरीब, जिनको ये लोग जो है कुछ मानते नहीं हैं, जिनको ये दारू बांट के, साड़ी बांट के, पैसे बांट के, जिनको ये वोट को खरीदते हैं, अब उनका समय आ गया है. Basically, now a time has come when these forces should woke up. And unfortunately, our political system is bad. It is basically for itself. Therefore, you have seen, you were in Singrauli, you have seen how the MLAs and MPs, they were minting money and they were working with in tandem with the hooligans and criminals.
Correct.
Yes.
I am fully aware. I am aware, and I have the same feeling. Whenever we travel in the interior part of India, the real India. So yeah, I hope it will improve.
It will not improve, it will transform. And I have created the model for this transformation.
Okay.
And what we are saying, it is the responsibility of the present day politicians to translate that vision in action. And we are not really bothering them. We are not bothering their intellect. We are not bothering the intellect of their so-called bureaucrats. We are just saying, you enjoy politics. You do whatever the nasty thing you want to do as a politician. We are not saying, okay, we will transform you. No, you continue with whatever the nasty thing you are doing. What is our prayer? Just form 26 task forces, which will be led by me, which will be guided by me, and what we are promising to the government of India, that we will not use your money. Second promise, that we are having the 2 models. It will give 20 times, not 20% more, 20 times more money to the government of India. I mean, those 2 models are there. What we are saying, that we will give you 20 times more money, but we want 2 promises. First promise, that within 5 years, India should be free from all kind of the taxes, because we are giving you 20 times more money. That is good enough for internal security, external security, infrastructure, research, development, education, and everything, right? So, what we are saying, that we will give a transformed India, and technology and models are ready with me. And and these models will be refined with the help of the people. There are lakhs of the people, those who have dedicated their life in various ways, right? We are saying that we will identify these people, we will make them the task force, and they will be used for refining our model. And then the weekly progress will be given to the present day politicians, which they can take the political advantage of it and can mention it in their Man Ki Baat. And if they do that, Eddie, what we are saying, we will give not only 21 transformational model, but we will make every citizen of India not only employed, not only gainfully employed, but we will give them the 5 fundamental rights without any burden on the exchequer of Government of India. Those fundamental rights are fundamental right of employment, fundamental right of health, fundamental right to food, fundamental right to education, and fundamental right to prosperity and happiness. So we are guaranteeing even happiness also. And in the process, we are not even spending even a single penny from Government of India. Is it not very amazing?
Yeah.
We are not transforming our politician. We are saying that you cannot be transformed, and you don't have any intention to serve people because you are not providing the right kind of the politicians. The politicians are being selected on the wrong ground. They are ruffians, they are criminals, and you don't have the intention to give good politicians to the nation. And moreover, you are distributing liquor, you are distributing all kind of freebies, you are distributing sarees and other things, and in a way you are purchasing vote of poor people.
Yeah.
And it is very unfortunate, despite the fact that you have purchased their vote, you don't represent them.
It's like bribing only.
Yeah, very true.
Guptaji, what I can do is probably if you can share some information about your idea or what you are doing now, I will peacefully try to understand your concept, and then I will call you again, or we'll connect in the Zoom or the team or whatever it is. Try to understand a bit more.
I will share few documents. I will share you the link of the Crime Free Bharat YouTube channel, which is having 6,500 odd videos explaining how this country will be transformed without spending even a single penny from the exchequer of Government of India.
Okay.
And it is being explained that how Government of India will get 20 times more money, and there is a condition that you have to waive the taxation. There should be no taxation. That is the only condition.
Okay.
And then this model says that if you don't listen to us, there is a Crime Free Bharat Mission app. I will send the link of that also. You just download and see.
Yeah.
This provides for adding your family members, relative, your kith and kin, your neighbors, and the people connected with you.
Okay.
And if you take a pledge of the only 9 days, and whomsoever are being connected, they are also being given pledge this number will reach to 100 crore. And when this 100 crore people will be making any request to the Honorable Prime Minister, he will be duty bound to do it. And if he fails to do it, then the people, those who have added the maximum number of the people, this app identifies 543 of them who has added the maximum number of the people, and they are being termed as Chandragupta. They will get a ticket of the member of parliament, and they need not to print their leaflets, or they need not to put their hoarding, and they need not to go for any TV or any news coverage. The 100 crore people will be pledging for 21 objectives and 5 fundamental rights. We will vote to our so-called Chandragupta. Right? Now you will understand, being an engineer, that when these 100 crore people will be taking the pledge and they will be voting through the EVM machine to their Chandragupta, all other politicians, they have no future, they will be lost. Then these 543 Chandraguptas, they will do for themselves whatever they are so far requesting to the politicians. So I will share these details with you, and thereafter we can have a Zoom meeting, and then we have to plan that how can you contribute. Because ultimately you, me, and everybody is having the right to have a good future for ourselves and for our children.
Done.
Right? And it will be transforming everything. And the best thing, that we are not asking any change in the attitude, temperament, thinking, or we are not demanding any activity. Only one activity is being demanded, that you please take oath or pledge, and just add 10 people, and they should also take the pledge, and it is the matter of only 9 days to become 100 crore. And that is
go ahead, Gupta.
So we will continue, we will talk about it, and you can then really look for yourself how would you like to contribute, because I am very sure you would be interested in the betterment of your own destiny, your own future, your own countrymen, your own friend, philosopher, and guides also. Because I feel this is the only way we can really help our fellow citizens to live a transformed country in a Satyugi country.
So I'll wait for your details. Then I will study the case, and then I will connect with you again.
Sure. I will be doing this now. I will be doing this now, right?
Okay.
And then we will connect. Then we will connect next week.
I'll WhatsApp you the suitable time so that we can connect on the Zoom or Team or whatever it is.
That's great. We are connected on all platforms. There's no issue.
Currently I'm in a restaurant. That is why the disturbance.
No issue. I mean, it's nice of you that we were really not in touch for quite some time, and it is a high time that for the betterment of the country as a whole, can we do something more meaningful before before we go out of, we die basically. Before that, can we do something for our kids, right?
Really appreciate your mindset, Gupta ji.
Thank you.
Not many people have that this level of mindset. Nowadays everybody is running behind their own.
Not only that, they are afraid also.
That's also there.
If they will open out their mouth, there is a likelihood that they may be harmed.
That's also there.
So they are really afraid of the negative consequences, which may fall out, which may flow from the positive action. So
Yeah. Yes.
if you are doing anything negative,
Yeah.
you need not to fear. But if you do want to do something positive, then
Yes.
all hooligans, all bad people, they will join hand,
Yeah.
whatever was
Yes.
possible at their end.
Right. Right. Right.
है ना?
Yes. Yes. You are right.
So please
So I'll
convey my
wait for
regards
it,
to
Gupta ji.
madam.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. 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 Sure.
I got her message also, and she said that you will be talking to me. Thank you.
Sure. It's, convey my regards to your family. Huh?
Yeah, sure,
Gupta ji.
sure.
Okay. Okay.
And
Okay.
do
Thank you.
plan to visit Bhopal whenever you are in India.
Yeah. We were also looking forward to meet you in Dubai. So on the way to London
How
or
is everything at Dubai? Let's talk about that something about that also.
Dubai is the market is very hot. Real estate market is very hot. Expenses booming up. A lot of people are migrating. Population is increasing in Dubai. But of course, Dubai is Dubai. It's a totally different cosmopolitan culture, and it's not more in Arab country. It's an international community. So it's doing well, and we believe this is the extended arm of India because we a lot of Indians. When you called me, I was having a South Indian veg restaurant.
Oh, great.
So yeah. So there are so much available. So we don't miss India when we are in Dubai, and we get a very positive vibe to do our business. Not, all these things are there. So we really enjoy the life here, and it is safe and clean, and so that's all good. And there is no tax.
Basically, we are having very fond
There is
memory
no
of
income
Dubai.
tax, of course, but it's not our country, so sometimes we miss that. But other than that, everything is here, and just 3 hours flight, so not too far.
And I would like to take this opportunity to convey my gratitude that we had a very gala time in Dubai because of your support and hospitality.
Thank you. Looking forward to meet you again soon.
Sure. It is, I think, time that we should sit together. We should discuss something.
Yes.
Basically, Masood, one thing we have to appreciate is whoever has come in this world, is not going to stay here permanently.
Yeah.
Before we leave, before we die, can we leave some transformational impact so that our future generation they should have better time?
That's true. That is a great purpose of the life.
And what I feel that many may not understand, like people like you and me, we must throw our weight for the betterment, because there will be a number of the irrational people, those who would like to exploit the situation for their advantage, and they are not bothered about the common public. They are just being treated as a voters, and they tend to buy their votes without providing them any benefit.
Yeah.
I really sometimes feel very pity about them. But I feel they have been treated like a creature. They are being treated like a creature who is having no human values. With a lot of freebies, and they have encouraged the consumption of the liquor. And with the freebies, these beggars, though we claim we are having the largest young population of the world, but it is an incapable population which cannot even do a hard work of a day. So if a laborer cannot do the hard work, it is very unfortunate for the country.
Yeah.
But really, these politicians are not bothered for these things. They are not the right kind of the people. They are not literate people. They are not, I mean, they are the ruffians basically. All political parties, they prefer, उसको हम कहते हैं कि बाहुबली, धनबली और अपराधियों को ही ये वरीयता देते हैं और अपराध करके जीतते हैं. They do not have the thinking capacity to do anything good for the country. I don't know how much you agree with me.
Yeah. I totally agree with you. So, the real capable people are behind the screen, or maybe they are not getting an access, or maybe probably
They have
not
also become
coming, or
people.
maybe worried to come in the front, probably, or they may hate this present system, political systems, or I don't know.
Many of us, those who are having the constitutional responsibility to discharge, we want to enjoy the fruits by licking their boots. Many of them they are more interested in getting a good posting. They are more interested to get a good posting, and they are ready to lick boots. That is very unfortunate for the country. And whom to depend? The politicians are not good, bureaucrats are not good, judicial system is not good. Patrakar, they have become the Godi Patrakar. Now $1 million question, to whom we can rely and who will be doing this transformation. So, Mansoor, I am of the view, now this transformation will come from the awakening of the common mass. Because everybody else is minting money in the present system, and they are not as sad as they should be, and they do not have any transformational intention.
Okay.
Right? I think with this, I think we should close our conversation. And once again, I am having really very fond memories of Dubai. And we will certainly would like to visit there. And once again, have a gala time with you people. And that period can be utilized for further discussion. How in our individual capacity we can really do something, whatever is little doable at our end.
Okay, sure. Looking forward to it, sir.
Right. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Bye.